Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with another DIY tutorial. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the goodies I've been bringing your way. If you're yet to see some of my older videos, please do well to go check them out. I'm going to link the playlist right here on the screen. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to use Sego Gele to make a DIY headband Gele. I got a question from one of my sisters on here. She was asking if we could use Sego to make one of all these headband Geles, and I'm like, why not? So I decided to give it a shot and share with you guys. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to use Sego Gele to make a beautiful headband Gele. If you're yet to hit the subscribe button, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Also, like this video if you enjoyed watching. I'm sure you would enjoy watching, so be sure to hit the like button. Share this channel with your friends. There's love in sharing. We love to share on this channel. Also, be sure to hold on till the end of the video so you see what we are going to be learning how to make next week Sunday. Now that is said and done, let's get right into making this headband Gele. Alright guys, so as usual, I'll start off by showing you everything you need in order to make this particular headband Gele. So be sure to watch everything I'm showing. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, hi there, my name is Funmibi. I make videos about DIY tutorials, especially for making hair accessories. I show you how to make awesome headband Geles in particular. So if you're yet to hit the subscribe button, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Welcome to the family. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here now is I'm folding over the fabric I'm going to be using to wrap my headband. So those who are very frequent on here already know how it goes. If you're yet to basically get a grasp of what wrapping your headband entails, I'm going to link a video somewhere on the screen. Be sure to go check it out right after watching this video. It's going to show you how to wrap a headband properly in order to get very clean, awesome results. So right after wrapping the headband, I'm also going to go ahead to line the inner part of the headband with a velvet ribbon. That's just to keep things neat, because after wrapping, the inner part of your headband tends to look very untidy and everything. But on this channel, we do our things properly. We love to keep things very neat and sleek. So I'm going to go ahead to show you how I'm going to be covering the inner part of my headband to hide any form of imperfection. So right after wrapping the headband and all of that, we're going to get right into making the actual headband Gele. So the part of the headband that is going to give it that Gele effect that we all love. So now that I'm done covering up the inner part of my headband, I'm going to just burn off all the imperfection, the flyaways and all of that. And yeah, this is what my headband looks like. Very clean and beautiful, right? I know. All right, guys. So it's time for us to get into the Sego. So for those who don't know what Sego is, so this Gele that feels like nylon, right? It has the texture of a nylon. That's what people call Sego Gele here in Nigeria. I don't know what it's called in your own country. Let me know what Sego Gele is called in your country down in the comment section if you're not Nigerian. Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm just threading my needle. For this particular tutorial, we don't need a sewing machine. So if you don't have a sewing machine, don't worry, you're good, okay? So what I'm doing now is I'm pleating my Sego. And with pleating, you just have to, take your time and fold it and make as neat as possible, right? It doesn't have to be perfect, but just try and make pleats with your hands. And once you've gathered the pleats together, just sew the pleats together and it will give you just one single piece, right? So after pleating, you just pass your needle and thread through just to hold it in place. And once that is done, you just, for me, because I've been doing it for quite a while, I know how to eyeball my, the amount of material I have, right? But if you can't eyeball, just mark 15 inches on each part of your Sego. So after sewing your pleats together, you fold over to that part where your 15 inches now stops, and then sew it again. So what I have here folded is about 15 inches, right? So I'll just fold into 2, then sew again, and I kept doing that into 3 places. I didn't want the headband Gele to be too big, but if you want something very big, feel free to fold into as many 15 inches as you want, right? Feel free to do whatever makes you happy. But for me, I went ahead to just give myself 3 15 inches pleats. So 15 times 3, that's about 45 inches in total. That's what I used in order to achieve this my headband Gele that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. So I decided to just speed up this part because yeah, the gist is quite straight to the point and I didn't want to bore you guys with dragging the matter along. So that's why it looks like my hands are moving really quickly. Feel free to go back and rewind and watch as many times as possible in order to get the full gist of this particular tutorial. Again, this is another call to action. I like to give my call to actions in between my videos. If you're yet to hit the subscribe button, please do well to join the family. I share very useful tutorials on here on my channel, and I know you would find a thing or two very useful on this channel. So be sure to join the family so you don't just, keep going and coming. Be the first to know. Also tap the bell notification right beside the subscribe button. That bell is supposed to let you know every single time I drop a new video. I upload videos Wednesdays and Sundays on here on YouTube. Also, feel free to go follow me on my other social media platforms. I'm going to link them somewhere on the screen. So feel free to go follow me on there and connect with me on a more personal basis. Okay. So what I'm doing now is I'm on my third pleat. I already folded. Is it pleats now? My third fold now. And I'm just trying to sew everything into one single piece. That's what's going on here. Forget about that part that is sticking out. I'm going to cut it off with my scissors now just to, get rid of it. Sego tends to be very, very long. And because I know I'm not going to use everything, I just cut the remaining parts of my Sego after I got my 3 full plates. And this is what we have here. What I'm doing here is that I'm just trying to, sew parts that are still sticking out together in order to give me one single piece. So it makes attaching my headband, my Gele now to the headband, it makes it easier. And after doing that, I'm still going to go ahead to use my glue. You can feel free to use either your Uhu glue or your glue gun. But for me, I tend to just, use my glue gun a lot of times. But if you don't have a glue gun, don't worry. Just go ahead to use any fabric glue, any good fabric glue, and you'll still get the same result as your glue gun. So what I'm doing now is I'm just securing the parts that I sewed on my Gele. And just ignore me. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm trying to get a proper, I don't know what it's called, just to tie the thread properly. And once that is done, I'm done. And I'm now using my glue gun to just secure any part that is still lifting off and make everything just very secured and in place. Once that is done, I'm now going to go ahead to tackle attaching my headgear, right, to the headband. Okay, we want everything to be a single piece. So what I'm doing now is I'm just pressing all the parts that I put glue on properly so it's secure. Then I'll now go ahead to apply some glue onto my headband like I'm doing right here. Okay, and then place the headgear on top of the headband to give us our headband Gele. And this is pretty much the main gist of this tutorial. But you know me now, I like things looking very, very clean. My family members on here know that we don't do dirty jobs on this channel. So because I still can see, threads flying here and there and just staring me in the face, I couldn't take it. So I decided to go ahead to apply an applique onto the parts that were looking, it just wasn't looking right. Okay, so I went ahead to use an applique piece that I have at home just to cover up that part. And it also gave the headgear another, it just made it look even nicer than it looks right now. So I'm going to show you guys that applique. I got it for 1,000 naira for a yard here in Port Harcourt, but I don't know how much it will be wherever you are. Any nice applique really is going to do the job for you, so you don't have to buy this exact same one that I'm using. Feel free to just be creative and come up with nice designs for yourself when making your own DIY project. So this is my applique here. I'm trying to just measure the amount I need so I can cut it off and then go ahead to glue it onto the parts that were not looking nice on my headband. So now that I'm already done measuring it, look at it. Exactly, this, you see this threads, it just doesn't look nice. Okay, so this is the part I'm covering in my headband. I'm going to go ahead now to just apply some of the glue from my glue gun and then place it on this area, and voila, we're done making this Sego Gele headband. If you've made it up to this point and you're still yet to hit the subscribe button, we're about to wrap up this video. Please be sure to go ahead to hit the subscribe button, join the family, also smash the like button. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video, so be sure to go ahead and hit that thumbs up on this video. Okay, it helps YouTube spread my videos to a wider audience, and we're trying to grow this channel to 2,000 subscribers before the end of this month. I don't know where we will be at by the time I upload this video, but please just go ahead to like this video so more people can come to the channel and join us in making awesome pieces on here on this channel. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead to wear this on myself. And you guys know, those that are frequent on this channel know that I don't make things that I can't wear on myself. And I know as well, you also will make something that you'll be able to wear out for your events or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead now to dress up, do some nice makeup, stick down my hair, and I'll come to you guys shortly to wear this Sego Gele. Alright guys, so this is me and this is the headband on my hair. What do you guys think? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate this Sego Gele? Let me know down in the comment section. Drop your comments. Also, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me up until this point on this video. If you're still yet to hit the subscribe button, I don't know what you're doing. I've said it 3 times. Okay, smash the subscribe button and join us. You love it here already. You've watched what, like 2 or 3 videos. How about you just join the family and become a part of this moving train? Also like the video if you're yet to, just in case you forgot for some reason, smash the like button. Next week Sunday we are going to be doing something very interesting. I'm going to leave it on the screen here for you guys. You guys should anticipate. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching again. I love and appreciate every single one of you. I don't take your love for granted. I can't wait to see you guys next week. Mwah!